Multiply 466 times 432. This is a 3-digit number times a 3-digit number. When you multiply 3-digit numbers, you go to your bottom number and start with the ones place value and multiply to every digit up here, right to left. Now, we may have to carry over a few times, so keep that in mind. Let's do that. 2 times 6 is 12. Write out a 2, carry over a 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write out a 3, carry over a 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Since that's our last digit in the row, we write out 9, and we're done with the 2 here. Now let's cross out these numbers so that I don't accidentally do it again. Don't want to reuse those numbers. Now we're going to move to our tens place value in the bottom number. When you do that, you automatically put a 0 in the ones place value, and then you repeat the process, multiplying 3 to all of these numbers right to left, not forgetting to carry over. 3 times 6 is 18. Write out an 8, carry over a 1. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Write out a 9, carry over a 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And since that's our last digit, we write out all of 13. Now let's cross out these numbers so that I don't accidentally use them again. And let's move to our final number in our final row. Now this is the hundreds place value. What we do here is we attach zeros in both the ones and the tens place value before we start multiplying 4 to everything. Now we multiply 4 to these numbers right to left, knowing we're going to have to carry over. 4 times 6 is 24. Write out your 4, carry over a 2. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Write out your 6, carry over a 2. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Write out all of 18 because that's our last digit. Now we add these three numbers up together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, so you get 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 0 is 11, so write out your 1 and carry over a 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. Write out a 3, carry over a 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write out a 1, carry over a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Write out a 0, carry over a 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So let's go from the right, count out our commas, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, we're done. And we end up with 201,312. And that is our answer.